What's up guys, it's me, Control Maniac, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a dog with the Smiggle Snake Puzzle. So let's get straight into it. So first what you want to do is going to make the head. So you want to get this blue one here, twist it, or whatever colour it is, doesn't matter. I'm just saying it's blue because mine's black and blue. You get this blue one and twist it to the right. Then you want to get this blue one here, twist it to the right as well, so it looks like this. Now you want to get this black one here and twist that down. So you like this black one, twist it down like that. Then to get this blue one, twist that down. So you've got this. That's the dog's head. And you want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And get the fifth one, this blue one here, twist it out to the right like that. Then I want to get this black one here and twist it up like this. Right, and then I want to get this black one, this one here, and twist that to the right. Now I want to count 1, 2, 3, 4. To get the fourth one, twist it down like that. Then I want to get this blue one here, twist it to the left, to the right. You want to get this black one and twist it up. And if you want, you can put the tail like that. And if your dog, like some dogs, like put the ears back like that, you can put it like that, but I prefer it like this. So that's how you make the Smiggle Snake Puzzle dog. I'm going to show you how to make the knife and the gun. A butcher's knife and a gun, pistol, whatever you want to call it now. So we'll see you once we've made that. So now I'm going to show you how to make the butcher's knife. So you want to get this blue one here, you need to count 1, 2, 3, 4. And this black one here, you turn that way, and you want to get this blue one and turn it down. Then you get this black one here, twist it that way, this blue one here, twist it down. You need to get this black one here, twist it like this, to the right. You want to get this black one, twist it up. You want to get this blue one, twist it that way, this blue one, twist it up. And then you've got the butcher's knife. And then when you want to stand it up, it's just twist the bottom, and on a hard surface, it should stand up. So now I'm going to show you how to make the gun. So now I'm going to show you how to make the gun. You want to count 1, 2. This one here, you want to get this black one and twist it up like this. Now I want to get this blue one, twist that to the left like that. Now you want to count from this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and twist this blue one here up. Then to get this black one and twist it to the right, this blue one, twist it down. Then I want to get this blue one, twist it to the right. Now I want to get this black one and twist it like that. And now you've got your gun. That's going to be the end of this video. Goodbye.